Hello everyone, how are you doing? I'm hoping you're having a pleasant evening. It's Friday night and I've been working around the house all day, just getting stuff taken care of. And I said, wow, I forgot to do a little bit of journaling. My goodness, let me take a break and enjoy myself with a little bit of journaling because housework and laundry and all that stuff has just gotten on my last nerve. The one thing I hate the most is laundry. Like there you go, you put it all in, put it in the dryer. Next thing you know, you gotta take it out, because it's all dry. Then you take it out, you take it in your room, you put it on the bed, and you go, okay, I gotta fold this all up now. I gotta fold it all up and do something with it. So you leave it on the bed, you go downstairs, you get yourself something to drink, and next thing you know, you're sitting down there watching TV. The thing goes off and goes boop boop. So you go, oh wow, the next load is done. So you go upstairs, you get the next load, you put that in. Put the ones in the dryer, and go back downstairs. And you go, you know what? I'm a little bit hungry. I think I'm gonna give me something to eat. You know how you with clothes washing and stuff, you always get distracted. I know some people. I don't know. Are you able to wash your clothes, and when they come out of the dryer, do you fold them up immediately, or does your mind tell you, like mine says, let's do something different right now? We're not gonna fold those clothes up right away. Let's go downstairs, or because my washer and dryer and stuff, my little laundry room's upstairs, on the floor with the bedroom. So that's convenient because you got your stuff. You just go right there, open up the little door, and there's the laundry room. So I like that. It's one of the things I said when I got this little house, that I want that. I want the laundry up there with me. So anyway, boom, 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 beep, 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 laundry, boop, boop, boop. So then I go, okay, let's go and get it and put it thing. So all the loads are done. Everything's done. I'm downstairs now, and I'm watching a little TV because I got it. I said I'm going to take a little break. I'm still watching TV. Now, what I'm watching now is that Handmaiden's Tale. I don't know, y'all. I don't know about that. It's eerie. It's eerie. But anyway, there I am watching the Handmaiden's Tale. It's an eerie show. If you haven't watched it, or if you have watched it, tell me in the comments what you think about that. Odd. I had to stop watching it for a while because I was like, ooh, this is beginning to sound like some of the stuff I read that people want to do nowadays. I don't know now. So anyway, so I'm still with the laundry. So I go back upstairs and I go, let me fold it up and put it away. So I started folding, but then something else called me to do something else. See, that's what happened with laundry. When you're doing laundry, other stuff be calling you saying, come on and do this, come on and do that. It don't want you to finish, doing what you're doing with the laundry. It just doesn't. Laundry just likes to sit around for a little bit. And if you're not one of those well-disciplined laundry doers, I'm not a well-disciplined laundry doer. I just want you to know that about me, because laundry is not one of them things. It calls me to do all kinds of other stuff. And so there I go. Back downstairs again after I got the little piles folded up and stuff. You would think that once you get them in a nice little pile of where things are supposed to be, that you would go and put them where they're supposed to go. You would just go, okay, they're all piled up now. Put this in this drawer, put this away, socks, underwear, whatever, closet, shelf, blah, 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 blah. No, 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 no. Mm-mm, mm-mm. None of that's happening. None of it. I'm back downstairs again. That's where I'm at. I'm back downstairs. I'm back downstairs, and I was gonna look at some more of that Handmaid's Tale, but I think I'm gonna get back into it tonight. I'm gonna give me a bowl of ice cream and get back into it tonight. But so I didn't watch that any. I watched a little something else, whatever that was I was watching. I said, let me watch that. So I watched that for a little bit, and then I said, oh my goodness, you know what I need to do? I need to go down, do a little art journaling, because art journaling relaxes me. It may even make me want to finish the laundry. It may. So here I am, friends, art journaling. Art journaling. And when I art journal today, what came to my mind was I didn't want to art journal in color. You know why? Because I'm doing laundry. I don't want no colors doing laundry. I don't want nothing to tell me nothing while I'm doing laundry. Nothing. So I'm art journaling in black and white. In black and white. And in black and white, this is what I put here. Now it says, remember why you started. Now that can remember anything. But my remember why you started was, remember why you started doing that laundry? Get on back up there and get that laundry done. Friends, thank you for joining me for these few minutes. And I know you don't want a laundry conversation, but if you got stuff like that going on with your laundry, I'd love to hear about it. And if you're one of those people that take the laundry and put it away right away, what's that process in your head that tells you to do that? I like to learn something new. So tell me what that process is in your head that gets you to do that. So, back again. Self-care is not selfish. Take care of yourselves. I'll see you all in the next video. I hope you have the most pleasant of weekends, and I hope you get everything done that you need to get done. And please give this video a thumbs up. If you like the conversation, give that a thumbs up. If you like the art journal page here in my Faces journal, it's my Faces journal. Here in my Faces journal, give that a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, plus that subscribe button, I'd love to have you here. And also remember why you got started on anything that you start. See you later, friends. Bye.